Hey YouTube, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get free FC24 points on your PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. That's right, how to get free FC24 points on any of your gaming consoles. Keep watching this tutorial and I'm going to show you how to get that. Okay, so let me just go ahead and walk you through how to get those free FC24 points for any of your gaming consoles. First thing we're going to do is just open the internet browser you use. I use Safari, but whatever you use is totally fine. In the URL, you're just going to type in rizzdeal.com. That's rizzdeal.com and press go. And now it's going to take you onto the website where we have all these awesome coupons. So I'm just going to scroll down so you can see some of them and some of the options. If you know what you're looking for, you could type it in up here in the search bar. But I already saw it down here, these free FC24 points. So let me go ahead and click on that one. And then here, it's going to show you these coupons for all the different gaming consoles. So we have the Xbox code, a PS4, PS5 code, and then a PC code. I have an Xbox, so let me go ahead and choose that coupon. And when you do, you can see the coupon is not completely unlocked, which is totally normal. That's what needs to happen. So click unlock code, and then we wait a second while this is unlocking. It does take a minute, but just practice some patience because we will get those 50,000 points for free for FC24 on our Xbox or whatever gaming console you chose. Cool. Once we're at 100%, it's going to redirect you to this other page. And this is very important, but all of the instructions are right here on top, and then there's also this tutorial video in case you get confused. But as you can read, it says please install 3 of these apps or offers, and you have to complete exactly as the instructions say. So you're just going to scroll down here and see some of the options for these apps, but like it said, just make sure you read it completely. So for Pool Payday, it says download and install this app, then win 5 games to unlock this content. Family Island, we would need to download and complete level 7 to unlock this content. I'm just going to skip ahead to after I download and complete 3 of these to show you what the coupon looks like. But there's a lot of different options here, and just make sure you do exactly as the instructions say. So like I said, I went ahead and skipped ahead to downloading all 3 of those and completing the instructions exactly as they are written. And when you go back to rizzdeal.com, after you do that, it will look like this on the screen and have that code there to get the free FC24 points on the Xbox or whatever gaming console you chose. I hope this was helpful. Thanks y'all for watching.